Hey guys, it's Miss Stewart here. I want to go ahead and go over our notes for today. We are starting a new topic called percent proportions. Hopefully you guys are familiar with proportions. We're just going to start using percents to find the values of an unknown. So, like I said, we're going to go ahead and start talking about percent proportions today. So what are they? Percent proportions are about comparing the amount of something you have to the whole number. Wholes are 100% of the amount. You may have more or less of this amount. So one whole dollar is 4 quarters. If you have 25% of a dollar, you have a quarter. If you have 125%, you have $1.25. We set up the amounts we are comparing in things called equal ratios. A over W, that fraction, is also called a ratio. P over 100, that's a ratio. We are saying that whatever A over W is equal to P over 100. A is the amount of something that you have. W is the whole number. P is the percent that you have, and this 100 is always going to be there. 100 is 100% that makes up that whole. We'll always use the same setup. You just need to plug in the information. So in your problem, you need to identify what is the amount, what is the whole, what is the percent, and that goes over 100. Then you circle the cross products. I have them identified by colors. So A and 100 are cross products, that is circled in red. W and P are cross products, circled in blue. What you need to do first is multiply your cross products. So if we go into the red circle, A and 100, A times 100 equals 100A. If we look at the blue cross products, W and P, W times P equals WP. Then we divide by the number that's attached to the variable. This one's a little confusing because we have all variables, but let's look right here. See this number, the 100, that's attached to the A? The A is your variable. Your 100 is your number that's attached to the variable. So what we would end up doing is dividing WP by 100. Whatever that equals is your answer. So let's practice. Suppose there are 15 problems on a multiple choice test. If 20% of the answers are A, how many problems have the answer A? So the first thing we need to do is find our W, our A, and our P. Our whole, our W, is how many total problems are there? 15 would be our W. A, what is the amount of problems that have the answer A? We don't know that information, so I have unknown. P, that's the percent. What percent are they giving me to put over 100? So right here, if 20% of the answers are A, how many answers are A? P would be 20. Let's practice. We need to, step 2, plug in our variables, or our values. W, our whole, was 15. Our A was unknown. Our P was 20%, goes over 100. So let's find the cross products. Circle them. We have 15 and 20 are cross products. A and 100 are cross products. So what we do first is multiply. A times 100 is 100A. 15 times 20 is 300. Then we need to divide by the number attached to the variable. A equals 300 divided by 100. Step 5 would be solve. Well, what does A equal? It would equal 3. Use these notes to help you on the activity, just to make sure that you are understanding how to set things up. Do your best, and we will go over it tomorrow. Have a great day, guys.